Both Kim Ji-won and Kim So-yeon received more projects because of their skills and successful movie. On July 4, 2024 marks a new milestone in the careers of these two famous Korean stars who have signed impressive endorsement deals. Both happy to announce that Kim So-yeon and Kim Ji-won received more blessings. Kim So-yeon became a new face of Shabu all day. This is a big leap forward that solidifies Kim So-yeon's position not only in acting skills but also in the food advertising world. A famous fashion brand, Benz, Kim So-yeon will showcase his luxurious fashion style. And the high-end cosmetic brand, Classy Volumer, Kim So-yeon will present high-quality beauty products. Aside from that, Kim Ji-won also represents a leading financial group, Shinhan. She also represents an authoritative and professional image. Kim Ji-won also explosively concluded 4 new advertising contracts after the success of their movie Queen of Tears. The brands she represents are Hanwha, Non-Life Insurance, one of the largest insurance groups where Kim Ji-won will contribute to improving customer trust. She also represents Soju brand, whose image contributes to enhancing brand value. And Friends Eyes Drop, an eye care brand that conveys a message of care and protection through Kim Ji-won image. The last one is cosmetic brand The Who, where Kim Ji-won promotes the beauty and luxury product. The two signed new brand contract, proving their undeniable charm in the entertainment and advertising world. The career of these two stars are increasingly thriving, bringing many new opportunities and challenges. Not only this, they captivate their fans with their acting skills, but they also became coveted face of major brand.